You've all heard the phrase, absence makes the heart grow fonder. Sometimes it does, and sometimes it doesn't. But sometimes what you learn during that break can be life-changing. There's a fortress on an island that's an hour south of Athens, in a little Grecian town I can't pronounce, so I won't try. And it looks like there's a castle that's just floating on water, and all around the moss-green mountains pierce the sky. The seagulls fly in circles over cafes on the shoreline, and 2 or 3 stray dogs are sleeping underneath the tree. The sun hides under clouds that paint the light in painted purples. The current whips, the colored ships, seesaw in the breeze. This is the closest I've come to being part of a painting. Like I fell in a well of pastel, the artist dipped in as he drew. And I know if I remember every detail, I can bring it home and paint it all for you. A girl waits at the harbor for a boy who went out fishing. He promised he'd return before the final breath of day. His darkness comes without him, and she leaves the dock behind her. His boat appears, he dries her tears, and carries her away. This is the closest I've come to being part of a painting, and I swear I'll be there and I'll share the things I come to know are true. And I know if I remember every detail, I can bring it home and paint it all for you. Sketches are never done, portraits are never complete. Sometimes it takes time before you're back on your feet. For now I know beauty, I understand peace. I found what I needed on the coast of Greece. I wanted some distance to chart the unknown. I needed to find my way on my own. But now, finally I'm ready to let you be a part of my painting. And I swear I'll be there and I'll share the things I've come to know as true. There's nothing else matters unless you'll be a part of my painting. For the heart of my painting is you. There's a man who writes a letter to a fella back in Pittsburgh. He says he's coming home and that his trip is finally through. And though he's scared, he signs it with, I love you now and always. He won't delay.